Hello and welcome to Puzzle Masters product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at the Psycho Discs puzzle. This puzzle was made by Cubic Dissection. Difficulty level of the Psycho Discs puzzle is 9 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10, and the goal of the puzzle is to open the cylinder. This puzzle was made from solid aluminum and brass. It has 8 parts, 6 small discs in the middle and 2 parts that look exactly the same, one on each side. As you can see, you can rotate all 8 parts of the puzzle, but it won't help you to solve it, since you have to solve the maze that is hidden inside. There is a small metal pin that goes from top to the bottom of the puzzle, and you have to navigate it through the maze in each disc, and only then you will be able to unlock the cylinder. Right now, these 2 parts are held together and they are rotating together when the rest of the parts are rotating separately. That's because the metal pin is between these 2 parts, and to move it to the next piece you have to figure out the correct way inside the maze, and once the pin reaches the bottom part you will be able to unscrew it, since right now it just spins, but when it will be held by the pin you will be able to unscrew this part and take apart the cylinder. And when you take it apart you can rearrange the discs and it will create a new maze, and you can try to solve it again. It's so nice that the puzzle has a small pocket size that you can carry it with you all the time, since you will spend quite some time trying to understand the maze that is hidden inside and trying to solve the puzzle. So it's nice to have it in your pocket so they can solve it in any time when you have some time to play with the puzzle. If you like the Psycho Discs puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching. See you next time.